What if the choices you make today could dramatically alter your future? Imagine discovering the decisions that, if neglected now, could lead to deep regrets 2 decades later. In this video, we're revealing the pivotal actions you need to take today to avoid future regrets. Don't skip this video, your future self might thank you for it. Hit subscribe and let's get started. Number 1. Settling for comfort. First up, never settle for mere complacency. Life satisfaction tends to diminish over time if you don't strive for more. For example, consider someone who stays in a comfortable but unfulfilling job because it's secure, only to realize decades later that they've missed out on pursuing their passion for writing or entrepreneurship. Always evaluate your satisfaction and push for growth to avoid stagnation. As life progresses, demands increase, financial, emotional, and spiritual. It's about evolving with these demands rather than letting them outpace you. Number 2. Ignoring your passions. Choosing a career just for the paycheck is a common regret. Imagine working in a job that drains your spirit. By the time you hit your midlife, this lack of passion becomes not just a nuisance, but a crippling agent to your happiness. Take Sarah, who spent years in finance but always wanted to teach. At 40, she switched careers to education, experiencing a profound increase in happiness and fulfillment. Pursuing your passion can significantly improve your quality of life and prevent midlife crises. Switching to a career that aligns with your passions can transform your daily grind into an invigorating experience. People who switch to careers they are passionate about often find renewed vigor and creativity. Number 3. Following misguided advice. Listening to well-meaning but inexperienced advice can lead you astray. For instance, Tom followed his uncle's advice to avoid the tech industry because of his uncle's failure in the dot-com bubble, missing out on lucrative opportunities that aligned with his skills in software development. Trust your instincts and gather advice from diverse sources. It's essential to weigh advice against your own instincts and ambitions. Number 4. Delaying investments. Not investing when you have the means is a missed opportunity for growth. Imagine you had the chance to invest in a startup like Uber or Airbnb early on, but hesitated. The value of early investments can compound significantly, providing not just financial returns, but also financial freedom and security later in life. Over time, investments can grow, providing not just financial returns, but also security and learning opportunities about the market dynamics. Number 5. Ceasing to learn. Many regret stopping their learning and development early in their careers. For example, Greg stopped learning new technologies after 30 and found himself obsolete by 50. Constant learning helps you stay relevant and competitive in the workforce. Ceasing to learn and grow is a sure path to regret. Many regret not continuing their education or picking up new skills after their formal education ends. Continuous learning keeps you relevant and adaptable, preventing the professional obsolescence seen in those who fail to keep up with new technologies or methodologies. Number 6. Staying in negative environments. Staying in a detrimental environment, be it work, relationships, or living conditions, is a decision you'll likely rue. Change may be daunting, but the cost of staying in a bad place is far higher. Imagine enduring a negative work environment that saps your well-being rather than taking the leap to a healthier, more supportive workspace. Number 7. Solving problems alone. Handling all problems by yourself without seeking help can exacerbate issues. Consider the case of Emily, who tried to handle her depression alone and struggled for years. Seeking professional help earlier could have significantly improved her situation. Utilizing expert advice can lead to more effective and quicker resolutions. Trying to solve all problems by yourself without seeking expert advice or therapy is a weighty mistake. Professional help can transform insurmountable issues into manageable ones, ensuring you don't carry unnecessary burdens alone. Number 8. Suppressing your true self. Hiding your true personality to please others or fit into social norms can lead to dissatisfaction. Jake spent years acting extroverted in a sales role, which clashed with his introverted nature, leading to burnout. Embracing and expressing your true self is key to long-term happiness. Authenticity attracts genuine relationships and opportunities. Embrace who you are, and you'll attract people who appreciate the real you. Number 9. Giving up on unique interests. Abandoning unique hobbies and interests to conform can diminish your individuality. Maria loved urban sketching, a hobby her friends found peculiar. Giving it up left her feeling disconnected from her creative side. Pursuing personal interests adds depth to your life and can be a source of joy and relaxation. Whether it's collecting rare books, gardening, or studying stars, These passions add depth to your life. They make you interesting and can even turn into more significant opportunities or stress relievers. Number 10. Making poor sacrifices. Sacrificing important personal values or health for career success is a common regret. Bob sacrificed time with his family to climb the corporate ladder, only to regret missing out on his children growing up. Balancing personal priorities with professional ambitions is crucial. Compromising on essential aspects of your life, like health, family time, or values, for career or money can lead to regret. It's crucial to maintain a balance where your personal well-being and relationships are not sacrificed on the altar of professional success. Number 11. Chasing others' dreams. Pursuing goals that don't align with your true desires can lead to fulfillment. Lisa chased a high-paying legal career due to family pressure, but found herself miserable and switched to a lower-paying job in art history, which she loves. Ensure your goals reflect your personal aspirations to avoid this trap. Imagine striving for a high-paying job, but realizing what you really wanted was time to write and travel. Aligning your pursuits with your personal values brings deeper satisfaction. Number 12. Quitting too early or too late. Quitting either prematurely or too late can lead to missed opportunities or prolonged agony. Mark quit his tech startup just before it gained major funding. Conversely, Janet stayed in a failing retail business too long, incurring significant debt. Knowing when to persevere and when to let go can define your success. Giving up on a project or dream just before it starts to show results can be disheartening. Knowing when to persevere and when to let go is key to personal and professional fulfillment. Number 13. Opting for convenience over quality. Choosing easy solutions over quality ones can degrade your life quality. Opting for fast food for convenience versus investing in a meal delivery service that caters to healthy eating can have vastly different impacts on your health and well-being. Investing in quality, be it in food, education, or lifestyle, enhances your life's quality. Number 14. Isolating yourself. Going it alone in business or personal projects can be limiting and isolating. Collaborating with others can bring new ideas, share the workload, and make endeavors more enjoyable. Remember, shared joy is double joy. Isolating yourself and trying to manage everything solo can be overwhelming and lonely. Building a network of support, seeking mentors, and sharing your journey makes the load lighter and the journey more enjoyable. Number 15. Diluting your dreams. Diminishing your dreams because they seem impractical or too ambitious is a common source of future regret. Dream big and pursue those dreams with vigor. Dream big, like Elon Musk's vision for SpaceX. Large dreams inspire greater effort and can lead to unprecedented outcomes. The effort required to achieve extraordinary goals is often the same as that needed for modest ones, but the rewards are significantly greater. If today's insights have sparked your interest in achieving financial freedom and discovering life-enhancing hacks, don't stop now. Subscribe to our channel and watch our other videos where we delve deeper into strategies for securing a prosperous future and reveal the unexpected surprises that await you along the journey. Thanks for tuning in.